This just arrived, the Q990C Samsung soundbar of 2023. So I said let me do the official unboxing for you guys to see, my fans, to know what it means to have a soundbar that truly emerged into the production of sound. So this is how it looks. This is the styrofoam that is protecting the soundbar, and this is the soundbar itself in its glory, the Q990C. So this is how it looks. You see, it comes with a power cable. It has two HDMI cord inputs. Three HDMI inputs, and it also has an optical cable input, and also, if I'm not mistaken, it has an a USB. So this is the soundbar. This is going to be here. This is where it was meant to be. So it's going to be here. So let me just lay it here first. This is where the soundbar will be. Then after that, we have more styrofoam that comes with it. So this is the remote. I guess these are all the remotes. You can see, just unboxing it for you to see. So this is the user guide menu and all. This is the HDMI cable, the cords, the remote that came with it. So this is the remote. This is the remote. You can see it. This is the remote. So set this aside for now. Then we have, this should be one of the woofer, if I'm not mistaken. Or let's unbox and see. So this is, yes, these are the side speakers, two side speakers. You can see it. The two side speakers that will be mounted. You can see it. This is the side speaker. So this is where you connect it. This is where you connect it here. And this is where you press to show the connectivity when you want to connect it as Bluetooth. So this will be here for now. Same goes for this. This is the second side speaker. This is the second side speaker. You can see it here. Samsung Q990C. Clearly stated. So that's that side speaker. And these are the cables for it. Two cables. So let me go on top of that for now. Styrofoam out, that out. We have the last but not the least, the big boy itself, the woofer. So this is the woofer. The woofer. This is the woofer. That's the woofer. And let's just take up the stuff. So trying to remove this cloth, this wrap. So I want to just bear with me. So this is the woofer. And finally, so you can see it in all its glory. This is the woofer. So you can see it, well designed, well made. Samsung Q990C 2023 flagship just arrived. Is what I'm going to be mounting in my living room. So I just wanted to show you all the review once again. You can see the name here, well stated. Samsung Q990C soundbar of 2023. So just came. I placed an order. You can also see there's a television, Samsung too, and also this one will be doing the review separately. We'll be doing the review separately too. This is 75 inches. Just came, just so that I can show you. Just came. Then also, this is the IMAX system that I bought. So these three items, I'm going to be unboxing them separately, but I just said let me do the soundbar first. So you'll be getting them individually. While I do this, then I'll now do, you get the unboxing, then you also get the review, in-depth review of how it takes. But for the time being, this is just to say thank you and subscribe to more content which will be dropping very, very soon. Thank you and see you soon.